Local news for Friday the 31st of July. The government's commitment to increase primary sector jobs and opportunities has been further boosted yesterday with the reopening of Taratahi Agricultural Centre. The training centre has reopened its doors after 2 years to deliver taster and familiarisation courses and to help workers displaced from other sectors into primary sector roles and jobs. The government is injecting $1.2 million into the program to train 1,000 people, including providing wraparound job placement support. A planting day is taking place at Castle Point tomorrow. The Department of Conservation, Castle Point Ratepayers Association and Te Heke a Papauma have teamed up and are inviting anyone to join to register at the church car park, end of Jetty Road, Castle Point, from 9 a.m. Skate park designers Rich Landscapes are in town tomorrow, and the Masterton District Council are inviting the skate community, kids and parents to have their say on the final designs before they get underway. The first part of the session will be at White House from 11 a.m. tomorrow. And in club rugby, Carterton will host their Old Timers Day on Saturday. The Premiers playing East Coast and the Reserves Gladstone. In other Premier rugby, Ikitahuna are at home to Greytown. Gladstone will host Pioneer, and Marist on their 75th Jubilee weekend will play Martinborough with the Reserves at midday and the Premiers at 2 p.m. Kia ora for local news and sport. I'm Brent Gare.